Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving into something really exciting, full stack development. Ever wondered how websites and apps like Facebook, Instagram, or even your favorite online shopping sites are built? Well, by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of what full stack development is. And I will also give you a list of latest technologies you can start learning right now. Alright, let's talk about the scope of becoming a full stack developer. Honestly, the future is looking super bright. With everything going digital these days, companies are on hunt for developers who can handle both front end and back end of apps. Whether it's building website, mobile apps, or managing cloud services, full stack devs are basically superheroes in tech world. Now let's talk about money. In India, if you are just starting out, you can expect to make around 6 to 12 lakhs per year. But once you get some experience under your belt, especially in cities like Bangalore, Pune, or Hyderabad, you could be making over 15 lakh per year. And globally, full stack developers are banking anywhere between $75,000 to $1,20,000 per year. And here's the best part, this is just the beginning. As tech evolves, full stack developers are going to play an even bigger role. Think about AI, cloud computing, or automation. All these fields need developers who understand the full picture. So, if you're thinking about becoming a full stack developer, the future looks super exciting. So, what is full stack development? Imagine you are building a house. You don't just need walls and roof, that's the backend, but also windows, doors, furnitures, and decorations, that's the front end. A full stack developer handles everything, the structure of the house, and also making it look amazing inside. So, in tech terms, it's about working on both the front end, what the user sees and interact with, and the back end, the server, database, and all the behind the scene magic. Okay, let's start with the front end because let's be real, that's what gets the attention. So, when we talk about front end development, we are talking about the user's experience. Everything from the buttons to layouts. The latest technologies you will want to learn includes HTML5. This is like the skeleton of the website. Every web page you have ever visited has HTML powering it. CSS3. To make your website look beautiful, you will use CSS for styling. Want cool animations or sleek designs? CSS is your best friend. You can also learn CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS for fast and responsive designs. JavaScript. This is what makes your website interactive. You know, like when you click a button and something happens? That's JavaScript. Now, JavaScript has evolved a lot, and today we have libraries and frameworks that makes things even easier. Like React, which is one of the most popular, we have Vue.js and Angular. So here comes an extra tip. React is super hot right now, especially if you're planning to get into modern web development. It's backed by Facebook and has a huge community. So you will never be stuck for help. Alright, now let's talk about the backend, the engine that runs the show. While the front end is like car's body, the backend is the engine powering it, making sure everything runs smoothly. The technologies here handle your data, process requests, and ensure your site works behind the scene. Node.js. This is JavaScript but for the backend. It's lightweight and super fast, which makes it perfect for building real time applications. Express.js. Often used with Node.js, this framework simplifies handling routes and server logics. Then we have Python and Django or Flask. Python is known for its simplicity, and if you are into Python, Django and Flask are great backend frameworks. Django is like an all in one package, while Flask is more minimal and flexible. Ruby on Rails. Ruby is a friendly language, and Ruby is a framework that makes developing web application a breeze. Let's go to databases. You will need to store data somewhere, right? Two of the most popular databases right now are MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database that that is flexible and great for scaling, and MySQL or PostgreSQL, which are traditional SQL databases. Here comes the extra tip. Pairing Node.js with MongoDB, called the MERN stack, which combined with React, is very trendy these days. And it's a powerful combination for building full stack apps. Another key skill for full stack developers is working with APIs, application programming interfaces. APIs allow your front end to talk to the back end. Like when you sign up for newsletter, it automatically sends your email to the database. Learn to build RESTful APIs or use GraphQL for most advanced querying. And don't forget about cloud services. You have probably heard of AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. These platforms offer hosting, databases, and more to help your applications scale. Knowing how to deploy your app on the cloud is a valuable skill for full stack developers. To be a modern developer, you should also learn Git and GitHub. Git is how you track your code changes, and GitHub is where you can collaborate with other developers on projects. It's crucial for version control, especially when working in teams. Also, some DevOps skills like working with Docker for containers or CI CD pipelines for automating your deployments will really boost your profile. So, why should you go full stack? Well, it makes you super versatile. Companies love developers who can handle both sides of equation because you can contribute to a project in more ways. Plus, knowing both front end, front end and back end gives you a complete picture of how web app works. And the best part, the future looks super bright for full stack developers. With all the cool stuff happening with AI, IoT, cloud computing, and blockchain, there is always something new and exciting to work on. Imagine building apps that can talk to you, control your smartphone, and even use blockchain to create a new kind of internet. That's the kind of stuff full stack developers are doing. But it's not just about the big projects. Even if you are just starting out, there is always something new to learn and explore. From mastering frameworks like React and Node.js to diving into databases and cloud platforms, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're looking for a career that's challenging, rewarding, and full of opportunities, being a full stack developer might just be your calling. So, are you ready to start your full stack journey? Let me know in the comments which technologies you are most excited to know about it more. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye coders.